Alright, welcome back, Bug. So this time, before we start building the actual house, we need to clear the space in front of us. So we're going to create a program that's going to clear the space in front of us, but we're also going to make it a function so that we allow the user to, what's it called, to choose between whether the space in front of them is empty or not. If it is empty, then hey, you don't have to do anything. You can just start building a house. But if it's not, let's clear the land. So let's get started. So edit home simple. We're going to create a simple home. So we're going to call the program home simple. All right. So let's step back for a second and see what we need to do. So we need to delete all this. We can break it up into multiple functions and then call one big function that does everything. So what we can see right now is that first we need to get into position. So left, forward 2, and then here is where we start breaking stuff. So we turn right, and then we start digging in front of us, going up, digging in front of us, going up and digging in front of us, and then we go to the right, to forward, then to the left, and we are facing our wall, and then we start digging, but instead of going up, we're going to go down, and then we're going to do that same movement before where we go right, then forward, then left, and then start digging and going up. So we're going to do a bunch of digging up, digging down, and making those turns like, let's see, 1 time, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we can do a bunch of for loops. Let's see, let's put it all together. So first things first, let's create a small function that'll get us into the right position. So function start, and that's just for the space. Okay, we can reuse this for when we're building the house as well if you like. It's just really up to us. So then space dot t turtle dot left, turn left, comma, then turtle dot forward, then turtle dot forward, then turtle dot turn right. Okay, and that'll get us to the right space. Let's see. And then we're going to end it, and then we're going to call it just to see if it works. All right, start, control save, control exit. And we can do things like this, making sure that little pieces of our code are working. So here it is, it moved to the right space, and now it's looking. So now we can go dig in front of us and go up. All right, let's create that next function. Okay, we're gonna comment this out so it doesn't restart that. Okay, now let's go back to the functions up here and create another one. So this one's going to be function up, dig up. Okay, but we're just going to go up, and it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be a for loop. So for I equals 1 comma 3, do the following, which is, hey, dig in front of you, dig, turtle dot dig, then go up, turtle dot up, then let's see, what do we do? Oh, next end. Okay, and that's it for that. Let's call it up, save, exit. So it's doing the right thing. Okay, we don't want to go up that third time. I guess we should only really go up twice. Here, put it back. turtle dot home home. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna do digging. We're only gonna do it twice, right? Okay. 2 instead. But then at the end here, we're gonna dig, because we only want to go up twice, but we want to dig 3 times. So we're gonna go turtle dot dig, and then control save, control exit. Let's run the code. Okay. We went up as much time as we wanted, and then we just dug what we wanted. Okay, now let's do our turns. Edit home. Since we already made this one, we should go ahead and just make the third one. All right. So we're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna make the third function, but the function will be for going down. So function down. It's gonna be for I equals 1, comma 2, do turtle dot dig in front of it, and then turtle dot down instead. Then we're gonna end this loop, and then we're gonna go turtle dot dig again, and then we're gonna end this. And let's actually make our, what's it called, the turning. We almost forgot the turning. So function turn, comma, right? And it's going to be turn turtle dot, we're going to turn right. Then we're going to go forward, turtle. Then we're going to turn left, turtle dot turn left, and then end that function. Okay, so now we'll go down. We're going to comment out that up function. We're not going to call it anymore. And then we're going to call the turning, so turn. And then we're going to call the going down and deleting the blocks or digging. So, oh, let's not comment that out. We actually want to call that function. So then it's down. Make sure we went up. Spelled that correctly. Okay. So then if this works, then we can just make a bigger function that calls all this out. So control save, control exit, and let's call this. Exit out of that. Okay, so here it's going to go to, it's going to turn right, then go forward, then go to the left, then start digging, and then going down, start digging, going down, and then start digging. And then we can call the rest of the function a few times more. Okay, home simple. Okay, good. And it's working. Okay. Now let's call the rest of it. What's the rest of it? We're going to create a big function for this. So function empty x. Okay, and we're going to call these functions. So start. Then we're going to go up. Then turn. Then down. Then turn. Then up. Then turn. Then up. Then turn. Okay, let's see. How many times have we gone up or down? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now one more going down because it's going to be a 3 by 5, so we are going to dig 5 times. So then down, okay, and we're going to go ahead and delete all this, put end here, so we can call this function. So then empty x, okay. Now control save, control exit. Let's delete this and rebuild this right here. And let's have our robot dig all this out right in front of us. And this is just like the front. And then we still have to go forward and do this again. So let's see. Edit home. Okay. That's good. Control exit. If it deletes this, that is correct. That is what we wanted. No, there's something going on. Okay. Now we put the wrong. Let's see here. Let's look at our big one. Okay. Now we go up, then turn, then down, then turn, then up, then turn, then here it is. Okay. Then down, then up. Okay. So that should work. There's no issues there. I'm going to stop the video here, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to go back to the beginning and then delete the rest of the space. I'm just going to break it up the videos to make it easier for you, Bug. So sorry if I'm stopping now. Okay, control save, control exit. All right.